And for more on this, a special correspondent, Idris Lone, is now joining us live from Srinagar. Idris, like what we're also learning, while Pakistan launched the swarms of drones at India, 7 infiltrators tried to enter India through the Samba sector in Jammu. Tell us more about how this infiltration bid has been foiled by the border security forces.
Well, Rahesha, it was exactly the same time when there were at least 4 ceasefire violations from the Pakistani side and also the drone attacks all over the Jammu city. That is the time in Samba sector, the border security forces saw suspicious movement near the line of control, international border, where a group of terrorists was trying to infiltrate into Jammu and Kashmir. This was recorded on camera through the thermal imaging, and all these 7 infiltrators were neutralized by the border security forces right there on the border itself. The Pakistani army was giving a cover. That's one of the reasons that we also saw the ceasefire violation in Samba sector also at the very same time. They were giving them the cover basically to engage the Indian armed forces at the line of control, and so that the infiltrators can get an easy access and pass into Jammu and Kashmir. But that attempt was foiled by the border security forces. We also saw the ceasefire violations taking place across various places in Jammu as well as in the northern part of Kashmir like Kupwara, Baramulla and Uri and Akhnur sector in the Jammu division. We've also seen in the earlier times, Rahesha, that whenever there has been a ceasefire violation, especially during the spring season when the snow starts melting from these higher reaches and the passes open, that is the time when the infiltration bids are increase, and that is when Pakistan also tries, Pakistani army tries to give a cover to these terrorist groups to infiltrate into Kashmir so that they can engage with the Indian armed forces at the same time. And that's exactly what happened last night at around 9 o'clock when this group of terrorists was trying to infiltrate into Kashmir, but it was foiled, and all other attacks, the drone attacks were foiled as well, and so did the ceasefire violation on the northern part of Kashmir. That was the Indian army also gave a befitting reply to that ceasefire violation too.
Right, Idris. Thanks very much for joining us and getting us the latest from Srinagar.